Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to spruce up your home this weekend without spending a fortune, you've come to the right place. Today, we're sharing 7 quick DIY projects that can transform your space in no time. These are perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out. First up, let's talk about creating a feature wall. A fresh coat of paint or some trendy wallpaper can dramatically change the vibe of a room. If you have a small space, consider light, neutral colors like soft whites or pale grays and make it feel bigger. For larger rooms, go bold with deep navy, emerald green, or even a vibrant mustard. Choose a pattern or color that reflects your personality, and don't be afraid to experiment. You can also create a faux wainscoting effect by painting the lower half of the wall a different color for added depth and texture. Next, let's look at upcycling old furniture. If you have a tired-looking chair, side table, or even a wardrobe, don't rush to throw it out. A bit of sanding and a coat of chalk paint can breathe new life into it. Chalk paint is easy to work with and requires minimal prep. Once you've painted, consider adding new hardware or stenciling a design for a personal touch. Upcycling not only saves money, but also creates unique pieces that fit your style perfectly. Moving on, how about adding some floating shelves? They're great for displaying your favorite books, plants, or decorative items, and can be easily installed with just a few brackets and some wood. This is a perfect way to showcase your personality while also saving floor space. You can paint the shelves to match your walls or contrast them for a striking effect. Additionally, consider lighting them with LED strip lights for a modern twist. Another quick project is updating your hardware. Swapping out old cabinet handles and knobs for something more modern can completely change the look of your kitchen or bathroom without a complete renovation. Look for finishes like brushed brass, matte black, or even vintage-style ceramic knobs for a pop of character. This small change can have a big impact. Next, let's create a cozy reading nook. Find a corner of your home, add a comfy chair, a small side table, and some soft cushions or throws. This will not only make your space more inviting, but will also give you a perfect spot to unwind with a good book or enjoy a cup of tea. Consider adding a small bookshelf or a floor lamp for extra comfort and functionality. How about some smart home upgrades? Installing smart plugs or lighting can make your life easier and more energy efficient. You can control these devices from your phone or with voice commands, making them a great addition to any home. Smart thermostats can also help you manage your energy usage and save on bills. It's a modern touch that adds convenience to your daily routine. Finally, let's not forget about outdoor improvements. A few potted plants or a small herb garden can enhance your outdoor space. Herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary are easy to grow and add flavor to your cooking. You can also consider adding some fairy lights or solar-powered garden lights to create a magical atmosphere for evening gatherings. This simple addition can transform your outdoor area into a lovely retreat. So there you have it, 7 quick weekend DIY projects to refresh your home. Which project will you tackle first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.